Good afternoon. It is April the 12th, 2018, and we're going to continue today's video with yesterday's, only we're going to switch out crude for the bond. We like to trade the bond. We believe you can trade the bond in one other contract. It moves slower than the others, and it's very, very dependable at the edges, and it does usually trade fundamentals. So here we came into today in gold, and yesterday we had just a blow-up market up there, but we had a close in the middle. So we made new highs, new contract highs for the year, and we didn't hold them. We closed kind of right in the middle of the distribution. As you can see, I've got volume right here. So here's the Globex session, and it's got a B pattern. And here out of London we get our mom, or move out of the middle. We believe that the most important decision you make as a trader is from which side of the market am I going to trade off the opening. And clearly on gold right here with this B, this mom, and this B, the first trade that shows up is a short. That could come right here at 48. Very, very aggressive. Not so aggressive at 50. And less so at 52. So how did the market trade and how did it react? Let's see what it did for today. And you can see that the market did just stop at 50, right up against that high volume number, so you had good trade location, and it traded down for the rest of the day. So the idea was to find a place to get short. We had three possibilities off the opening. The market did produce a beautiful short trade. Taking a look at the E-mini, which is everybody's favorite right now, you can see that the market is really in a trading range right here. And yesterday's distribution had all the volume in the top half, so this actually is a P. We can see in the Globex session that volume is above yesterday's volume, but we have a B pattern here. The market comes to a balance, can't break support, and now we have our move out of the middle. So from which direction are we going to trade today coming into the E-mini? We're going to be long. We want to get long off the opening. And right here, right before the day session opens, we've got very aggressive buy at 56. Not so aggressive buy at 51. And then way back down here, our third buy level is 46. And because we're going to be long off the opening, we have to take this trade quickly. We cannot dally. So what happened? You can see that the market opened, and 56 was the best that you could have done getting into the market, and the market did trade higher. So our analysis coming into a relatively low news day was find a place to get long the E-mini, and the E-mini did trade up. 2 for 2. I love the bond. I think it's a great contract. I grew up learning how to trade the bond. That's where I first got started. And you can see coming into today that just looking at this distribution wise, we're leaning B yesterday. Got volume right here. You can see volume is below preceding day's volume. I've got a B pattern right here. Here I've got my mom, or move out of the middle. The market came to balance, and I've got another B right here. So the idea is that we are a seller on the opening. And we have a couple of choices. We can sell 28s, 31s, or 02s. So what happened? And you can see that we were able to fill at the high price of 02, but certainly 31s are better, and the market did trade lower. So on our three pre-market calls, they were all correct today, and yesterday you saw on our 3 pre-market calls they were all correct too. So get it right off the opening. Let the profile tell you from which side to trade. And we're going to give new visitors 5 free days in the main room where we trade crude, gold, the euro, 30-year bond, 10-year note, and many of those 5 free days you get to see me, the methodology, work live, real time, software too. You get all the answers you need to know about whether our services are right for you or not. Looking forward to seeing you in the main room for your 5-day free trial offer.